Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET previous year questions and solution also. This is part 21 series, okay. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah. So let's go to the first question. The first question is, a gas is allowed to expand in a well insulated container. Okay, the gas is allowed to expand in an insulated container against a constant external pressure. They are giving a constant external pressure at what is the atmosphere? 2.5 atmosphere from an initial volume, that means V1, that is 2.50 L. The final volume, that is V2, is equal to 4.50 L. Okay, then the change in internal energy, that means del U of the gas, okay, in the joule will be, we have to calculate del U, we have to calculate in the joule unit. Okay, they have given a 4 option, from that we have to choose one. So for that, see this here, the question, the change in internal energy is del U, no? Okay, so what is the equation for that? The internal energy, okay, del U is equal to Q plus W, right? So they have mentioned there the gas has expanded in the insulated container. Insulated container means, so here the gas is Q is equal to 0 here, correct? So we have to substitute the value here in the equation. So you will get del U is equal to W, correct? So what is the equation for W here? W is equal to minus P, that means pressure, into del V, that means change in volume. Correct? Minus P minus pressure, change in volume. Okay, this is the equation for what? W. Okay, so we have to substitute a value here. For the minus P, we have to substitute 2.5 atmosphere, no? Okay, so see here, external pressure, constant external pressure is 2.5 atmosphere, no? So for that we have to substitute the 2.5 atmosphere into change in volume, that means what? V2 minus V1, that means change in volume. Okay, V2 is, we have said there, the final volume is 4.5 and the initial volume is 2.5. okay, so if we subtract the values we got 2 here, so minus 2.5 into 2 L atmosphere, okay, you will get a value of minus 50 L atmosphere. So they have asked the values in the joule unit, so we have to convert the L atmosphere into joule, okay, joule unit, right? For that, what we have to do? Into 101.33 joule divided by 1 L atmosphere, we have to add it here. So that then only you will get a joule value. Okay, so if you do this, you will get a cancellation here. L atmosphere it will be cancelled here, and you have to multiply these value, you will get 505. So here minus is there, minus 505 joule, correct? So you will get a value of the change in internal energy is minus 505 joule. Okay, see this option here. Okay, the third option is the correct option for this question. Okay, so let's go to the second question now. The second question is correct in that means increasing order of basic strength for the following compounds. Okay, increasing order for the basic strength we have to find out. Okay, they have given the compound of aniline and para-nitroaniline, and the third one is CH3, the compound is there, so para-methyl aniline. Okay, so these are the 3 compounds they have given here, and the 4 option also, from that we have to choose one, right? So if you see this compounds closely, so see this compound here, NO2 and CH3, NH2, these are the groups are, okay, belongs to, they are having a R effect, no? Basic nature, basic strength we can calculate how the groups are having a OR effect. OR effect means what? It is, we have studied in the 12th standard, what we have studied OR effect, it is a, what is that? It is a resonance effect, no? Negative resonance and the positive resonance effect. That means plus OR effect and minus OR effect. Okay, so what does mean by minus OR effect? It is a negative resonance effect expressed by the electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron will be withdraw from the other group and it will decrease the basic nature. Okay, what are the groups they are? Okay, NO2 and COOH group, like these groups are withdrawing group. So here if you see, these are withdrawing group, no? NO2 is present in the para-nitroaniline. So what happened? This group will withdraw the electron, okay, from the other group. So what happened from the other group? It will withdraw the electron, so the delocalization of electron within the molecule will be happen. Okay, so finally the result is there is a decrease in the basic energy. Okay, it will withdraw the electron from the other group. What happened? It will make a basic nature, that means decrease a basic nature in that group. Okay, so this is what happened in the particular group, decreasing the electron density. Okay, rest of the molecule. So there is a decreasing in the electron density in the rest of the molecule. Okay, this is what happened in the particular compound, that means second compound. Okay, if we go to the next one, what is that? Plus or effect, right? That is a positive resonance effect expressed by the electron donating group. Electron will donate to the other group. That means plus or effect. Plus or effect means CH3. This CH3 group is there, no? Methyl group is there, no? Here this third compound. Okay. NH2 and CH3, OH, OR, these group are having a plus or effect. Okay, that means positive resonance effect. Okay, what it will do? It will donate the electron to the groups. Okay, so release the electron or donate the electron to the rest of the molecule. Whatever the molecule is present in this group, they will donate the electron to the rest of the group. Okay, by delocalization of the electron in the molecule. So what happened finally? Increase in the electron density in the rest of the molecule. Okay, the CH3 group also, it will donate the electron to the this benzene ring, and here NH2 also, what group it is? It is a plus or effect, no? So this also donate the electron. Okay, so what happened? Electron density is more in the rest of the molecule. Here the electron density is decreases, here the electron density is increases. Okay, so finally what about the first one? First compound is there, no? See here. See, NH2 is there. NH2 group also, what happened? The electron density towards the ring increases the basic nature. So, what should come first for the basic nature? If you see the second compound, no? NO2. See here, see this picture also, you will get a clear picture about it. So, NO2 group will, what will do? Having a strong minus or effect, and CH3 group will shows the plus or effect. Okay, so CH3 group also will donate the electron here, and NH2 also donate the electron, so it will have a more basic strength than this one. What is that? NO2. Okay, but here NH2 has a NH giving a more electron density to the ring, so it has a more electron density, so it has a more basic nature than nitro group. Okay, so the first basic nature, that means most basic nature is this group, then other one is, second one is this group, and third one is nitro group. Okay, so the order of basic strength will be how it is, the second compound and first compound and the third compound. Okay, so this is the way. So nitro group, para nitro aniline is less than aniline, and aniline is less than para methyl aniline. Okay, so this is the correct order of the increasing order of basic strength for the particular compound. So what is the correct answer here? The fourth one, no? Second is less than first and first is less than third. So third is the most basic compound in the given compound. Okay, so this is the correct answer for this question. Okay students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. Let's see in next videos. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, thank you.